Welcome! If you're a Telegram group owner and want to keep your identity hidden while managing your community, the latest Telegram update makes it easier than ever to stay anonymous right from your PC. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable the Remain Anonymous feature for group owners on the Telegram desktop app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the group you want to manage. Next, navigate to the group where you're the owner. You'll find your groups listed on the left side of the Telegram window. Click on the group to open the chat. Once inside the group, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the Group Options menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control everything from permissions to members. Now, in the Management panel, find and click on the Administrators section. Here you'll see a list of all admins, including yourself as the owner. Click on your name or the owner label to access your admin settings. In your admin settings, you'll notice the Remain Anonymous option. Toggle this switch on to enable anonymity. When this setting is active, your messages and actions in the group will appear under the group's name instead of your personal profile. Group members won't see your name in the admin list, and your identity stays protected while you manage the group. Once you've enabled Remain Anonymous, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You're now managing your Telegram group anonymously. This feature is perfect for owners who want to maintain privacy, especially in large or public communities. Remember, only admins and owners can use this feature, and regular group members won't have access to anonymous posting unless promoted to admin with this permission. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more Telegram tips to make the most of your group management experience.